Hello, everybody. I'm Seth Weissman, and welcome to another episode of Safe Real Estate. Today, I want to talk about an important issue. A number of non-realtor MLSs have announced that they are going to continue to allow listing agents to advertise the commissions which are being offered to buyer agents on their MLS websites. And the question which every realtor has to ask is this something that I want to do as a realtor? My advice, and I know I am being cautious here, is not to advertise any commission information whatsoever on any MLS website, including on non-realtor owned multiple listing services. And here is why. We are living in very uncertain times. The Department of Justice is continuing to investigate realtor practices. The plaintiffs' lawyers are continuing to search for potential antitrust claims. And the one thing that both of those groups were trying to do was to prevent realtors from being able to search an MLS and steer buyers based on what commissions were being offered to the buyer agent. So I actually think there is some risk, albeit small, that if you advertise this type of information on an MLS, that it could result in some litigation being brought down the road. And my job as a lawyer for the last 30 years has been to protect realtors. I don't want to see any realtor getting sued for the practices that they are engaged in. And to me, it is a time to be cautious and conservative. And when you think about it, who would have thought a few years ago that the realtor community would have paid almost $1 billion to plaintiffs' lawyers for practices that everybody thought were perfectly legal and appropriate? GAR has created some very good forms allowing realtors and buyer agents in particular to protect their commissions. I think the smarter play is to use those forms and not to ever advertise commission information on a multiple listing service. I hope this episode of Safe Real Estate has been beneficial. As always, it's great to see everybody. Please continue to tune in. Bye now.